Now let's understand LLM. Okay, LLMs and chat models with Groq. Okay, so LLM means large language model. Okay, it is the brain of our AI system. Okay, it is the brain of our AI system. It can understand text and generate the answer. Okay, so these are the model, Groq model, key Groq model, all free. Okay, so you can see here we have these model. Groq give us different AI models. Okay, Groq give us different AI models. Each model has different power and speed. Okay, each model has different power and speed. So you can see here, let's see some models. These are the models: llama 3 hyphen 8 billion 8192. Okay, this is the fast and good for normal task, this one. Okay, and you can see here the second one, llama 3 70 billion 8192. This is a more powerful. Okay, better for complex question, this one. And mistral, this supports long text. Okay, good for documentations. And gamma 2 9 billion hyphen it, it is a good. Okay, at the following instruction. Okay, so you can see here context. What is the context? Context means how much text the model can handle at the one time. How much text model can handle at one time. More context means it can read more data. Small context means it can read small data only. Okay, so this model can read 8k context. This model can read 8k context in one time. Okay, and this model can take 32k. Okay, 32k text. Okay, at one time, and this model can read 8k text in a one time. Okay, so context mean how much text the model can handle at one time. More context means it can read more data. Okay, and this one is best for general task. This one is used for complex reasoning. This one used for long document, and this one used for instruction following. Okay. Okay, so these are the model provided by the Groq. Okay, so here you can see two way to use LLM in LangChain. First is chat Groq. Okay, first is chat Groq. This is the modern way. Modern way, it work like a chat. We send message like system message and user message. Okay, so this is the recommended. Okay, so this one is the modern way, it work like a chat. Okay, so chat Groq equals to chat models recommended and users. Okay, and here we have Groq. Okay, so Groq, second is a Groq. This is the old style, we just send a simple text prompt. Okay, no chat format, so we will modify and we will mostly use chat Groq. Okay, so chat Groq is modern way, it work like a chat. We send the message like in the form of system message and user message with the help of chat Groq. Okay, so we will use this in our code, and this is the old style. Okay, this is the old style, we just send the simple text prompts, no chat format. Okay, so we will mostly use this one, chat Groq. Okay. Okay, so think like chat Groq chatting with AI like a WhatsApp. Okay, and Groq just sending one message without the conversation. Okay, so always prefer chat Groq for better result. Hmm?